Good morning. 6:40 a.m. in the morning. Welcome back to another video, Ironman prep. So today, what I have on the schedule, I have a 50-mile bike ride to the beach to get ready for my first open water swim. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna prepare my breakfast, and I'm also gonna prepare my lunch so I can eat it at the beach, so I'm not eating bad, or I know what I'm gonna eat right after my bike ride, before my swim or after my swim. All right, heading out for my 50-mile bike ride to the beach. Ugh. It's a hot one today.
Weather advisory.
Is it really? I may die today.
Why do you keep saying that?
Oh, I may shit on myself, one of the two sides.
That might happen. I'll bring the baby away.
Mile 17. When you're the only one on a trail, you gotta love it. Feeling amazing. You're enjoying the outdoors, enjoying the fresh air. Let's continue this ride. Mile 17 of 50. Mile 28 of 50. Woo! I was just thinking about something. My daughter the other day saw me laying down for the first time in a week. Said, "Daddy, is today your day off? You're gonna relax? You're not gonna do much today?" She understands that every single day that I'm up is work time. She sees me laying down because she knows it's time to rest. My body needs to heal. It's crazy how much of an impact we can have on our kids, people around us. Not all the time means rest. She doesn't see me laying down. She doesn't see me relaxing. So when she does, it's like a shock to her system. She understands that what I'm trying to get to, what she's trying to get to, we're all supposed to get to, it takes a lot of hard work, it takes a lot of dedication. Be the impact you want to be at home. Set the example for your children to understand not everything needs to be glory, not everything needs to be happy, not everything needs to be resting, relaxing, watching TV all the time. You need to be able to push yourself, so when they see you resting, they understand dad, mom, whoever needs their rest because they've been pushing hard. Mile 40. Woo! I get to mile 40 and this is what's in store for me. It's like Merry Christmas. I don't know if you can see how steep that is at mile 40. 10 more miles to go. Woo! Full throttle. The only good thing is I get to go downhill. Let's go downhill now. Mile 49. Closing in on the end. What happened? 50 miles done here at the beach. Gonna eat something, settle in, and get back to the beach. Post 50-mile ride, I have some white rice, 12 ounces of grilled chicken, and some beans. It's cold as hell. Right now it tastes like heaven. Okay, first open water swim, beach. Well, I can say a lot different than being in the pool, a lot hotter. It's tight with current. So I did 529 meters in 16 minutes and 17 seconds. I am exhausted after that 50-mile bike ride. I attempted to swim out there. Feels like you're getting nowhere in the ocean, right? At least in the pool, you feel like you're getting somewhere. Out there, it's like trying to fight currents, trying to fight it. No matter how good of a swimmer you are, if you've never swam in the ocean, it's a whole totally different experience. It is, especially when these waves are coming in, these rip out, you gotta learn how to ride them. I learned a little bit out there. All right, so my first open water swim, first of many, hopefully. Whew. Long day today. From 50-mile bike ride to that ocean swim that was hella tough, and to that back and bicep workout this afternoon. So that wraps up another day in Ironman prep. I want to thank everybody that's been watching the series. Thank you for all the support. If you're watching this for the first time, please take the time to subscribe. Please take the time to drop a like and leave a comment. I'm gonna finish editing and watching some football. I'll see you on the next video.